Okay, I'm going to show you how to write the program and then run the program. So, first thing we have to do is we're in the main.prg window here that opened up in the beginning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to type in function. Function. And then when you hit space, if you spelt it correctly, you're going to have a little box up here. That's going to try and give you some tips on how to do it correctly. But once I write function, I'm going to write main after it, because this is our main program. And then when I hit enter, it's going to add fn at the bottom. So you have function main and then function end. And between those two is where we write our program. So there's a few ways we can do this. I'm just going to start off by putting go and P0. So that's one of our points. And if I hit enter, we see that go turns blue, and then P0, uppercase P, lowercase regular 0. So now I'm going to type in, so it goes P0, go P1, and also you can see that it has my the names that I called each point beforehand. Now let me try jump. P0. Okay, so I'm just going to backspace so I don't have an open line here. So function as it looks now, I have go P0, go P1, jump P0. So hopefully it's going to go down, then jump, and then stop. So once I wrote my program, I'm going to come up here to run, click run, and then you hit the start button. This is where we're going to find out if something's wrong here. And nothing happened. Down in the, let me zoom you down here. Down is where our builder is, and that just verifies our program. You see build complete, no errors, so that's good for us. Right there. I'm going to take the pen cap off of the marker, and then I'm going to hit start main. And it's moving, and there's our jump. And it's going to go to that 1, so it comes up pretty high. It's going to come back over to 0.0. And it's going to go back down. Now, if you want to pause it, you can hit pause, and then continue, or you can abort all, which just closes out everything, and then you can hit start again. If you hit abort, though, your program is just going to stop wherever it was. Just heads up on that. So I'm just going to exit out. And that's how you write and test your program.